Hi, konnichiwa. Welcome to Speak Japanese Naturally. I'm Fumi. Do you know karate or do you know sake? I think you know them both, but didn't they sound quite different from what you know? These are loanwords. These words were taken into English and now are in the English dictionaries, but the pronunciations are different because they aren't pronounced like Japanese anymore. The pitch is taken away and stress is put on instead, and vowels are sometimes changed. Today, we're gonna practice pronouncing these words in the original Japanese way, and through that, you get to know the Japanese phonological system. Let's start with an easy word, sushi. Do you love sushi? I do love sushi. And as you heard, we say sushi. Sushi. Don't put stress on su, because when you put stress on a syllable, the syllable becomes stronger and higher and longer than the other syllables. But Japanese doesn't have stress, and Japanese has pitch instead, and Japanese syllables or moras have a high or low pitch. Also, the lengths of the Japanese syllables or moras are the same. Can you imagine English words without stress on them? Do you recognize them as English words? It's kind of same here. Please be aware that Japanese is a pitch accent language and try to imitate the pitch and you sound natural. Here is the pitch of sushi. It's sushi. Starts high then low. Sushi. Sushi. And when you say su, don't pout too much like su. It's just su. Your lips are more relaxed when you say su. Okay? Sushi. Sushi. Okay, it's your turn. Sushi. Sushi. Next one is sake. Sake means alcohol in Japanese. Sake. When you see Japanese words written in the alphabet Romaji form, you'll notice that a vowel always follows a consonant. And Japanese has 5 vowels: a, I, U, e, and o. Okay, so sa consists of s and a sound, and ke consists of k and e sound. This is always a, and this is always e. Sake, sake, but not sake. Can you tell the difference? Sake and sake. Sake, sake. Okay, sake starts low, then moves high. Sake starts high, then moves slow. Sake is alcohol and sake is salmon. So when you learn a new word, learn its pitch too. I think it's the quickest and safest way to learn a new word correctly. Next, ramen. My husband and kids love ramen. This is how it's written. Japanese has 3 writing systems. 4 if you include this Romaji style. Other than that, we have kanji, Chinese characters, and hiragana, used for native Japanese words, and katakana, used for loan words and the names of foreign people. Ramen originally came from China, so we usually write ramen in katakana form. You see line here. The line means you prolong the preceding vowel. Here it's a, so you prolong a and say ramen. Ramen. Also, Japanese la sound is quite different from English r sound. When you say English r, your tongue doesn't touch anywhere inside your mouth. But when you say la, especially when the word starts with la, it's more like L sound. Ramen, ramen. Your tongue touches the upper gum of your mouth. Ramen, ramen, ramen. I said that a vowel always follows a consonant, but n is the exception. N can exist by itself. So ramen isn't followed by any vowel. Ramen, ramen. The pitch is ramen. Okay, starts high, then moves slow. So ramen, ramen. It's your turn. Ramen, ramen, ramen. Alright, next is this, and the pitch is this. And can you say this in Japanese using the knowledge that you've learned so far? Please. This is Pokemon, 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 Pokemon. This is always O, not O. And this is always E. And don't put stress on po. So it's Pokemon, Pokemon. So let's practice. Pokemon, Pokemon, Pokemon. Okay, good. How about this one? And please say that in Japanese. Okay, this is anime, anime. This is always a, and this is always e. So this is not anime, but anime, anime, anime. Your turn. Anime, anime. Anime. Alright, how about this one? I think this is difficult for you. Okay, this is karaoke. 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 Always read this a, this o, and this e. So karaoke. Karaoke. When that appears in the middle of the word, it's more like a flapping sound. La. Karaoke. 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 So your tongue taps the upper gum. Touch your upper gum a very short period of time when you say la in the middle of the word. Okay, so karaoke. Karaoke. Your tip of tongue touches the upper gum, but immediately you have to take that off. Karaoke. Karaoke. Now it's your turn. Karaoke. 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 Alright, good. So next is this one. So this one is karate, and kara is the same as karaoke's kara. Karate, karate, karate. I think this sounds very different from English. Karate, karate, karate. Alright, next one is here. How do you say this? Yes, it's ninja. Ninja. I think it sounds very close to English, but Japanese ni is actually a little bit different, but I think it doesn't matter here. Ninja sounds almost the same. Ninja, 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 ninja. I wanted to be a ninja when I was a child. Okay, now this is the last one. How do you say this? Yes, it's kimono. Kimono. Don't put stress on mo. Kimono. Kimono. But overall, this word is easy for you. Kimono. Okay, kimono. 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 Okay, here are some things that you should remember. 1. Japanese words don't have stress but pitch. 2. Japanese has 5 vowels. A, I, U, E, and O. 3. Japanese words always end with a vowel except n. Okay, so that's about it today. You did a good job, and thank you, Janet, for checking this script again, and thank you for watching this video and try to practice with me. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and please share with your friends on SNS. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye! またね!